wheel. Straighten your wheel. Straighten your wheel. Straight. There you go. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, please. Somebody fall. Got it. Keep going.
Oh, hold on. Dig out here.
Dig, yeah.
So while we wait for everyone, this is...
Get away from my van, man. Creeper. What are you, homeless?
Yeah.
You want money or something? Get away, man. Get no money.
I live in there.
Oh,
I'm your neighbor.
Oh, hey. Houseless, not homeless, baby.
So what these lifted van meets, unfortunately, we're getting rain. And I'm already getting messages that people aren't gonna make it.
Yeah, whatever.
But what'd you say, man?
Ride or die, baby. What's up? I don't understand it. Like, I don't have a lifted van. I got a two-wheel drive on street tires. I'm still going for the adventure, but I don't understand it.
So I've been talking to this guy for years, and you know, when you meet someone, it's different. Just like his YouTube channel, but even nicer. You know.
It's great to meet you finally, man. It's all good. And I'm glad that I'm one of the ones that, you know, when things get tough, you know, it's okay. I'm still tough. I can still go out here and ride or die for it and still do the thing. So we're going to go have some fun regardless of the weather. We're not like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not rolling in a Sprinter or anything. Oh, well.
Okay, we got a little break from the rain, and the group is slowly forming. So we got an action van suspension right here. Mine's a Weldtec Designs, Baja Grocery Getter. And then we have another action van ultimate lift right here. We got a 4x4 B190. I love these B190s. So at least we got a four-wheel drive guy, just in case we get stuck in a flash flood. Another action van suspension. This one has a fiberine top. Oh, and that one's a medical van top right there. So this one has the 2010 style radius arm. And then we got Chocolate Man in a van in honey stock rolling with us. I like the attitude. You know, I was kind of bummed about all this rain. I was like, man, I know people are going to cancel now because, you know, the rain is treacherous. But James said, I got nothing to do. Let's do this. I'm like, okay, at least I got one guy. But it looks like I got more than one guy. So let's have a good time today. The rain stopped a little bit. Let's make the most out of the day. We're at Salvation Mountain. God is love. I like that.
A few moments later.
We got our first one stuck already.
Later that same evening.
James always has his camera in people's faces now. It's opposite.
What you gonna do about it? What? What?
I'm gonna get paid right now. I'm gonna
show up even when it's raining, baby. What? Where were you at? Where you at?
Ooh. Just messing around.
Yeah. Good morning, James.
What's going on, man? Good morning, Lifted Van Meet, November 2025. Wish you were here if you ain't. It's a good turnout, good people.
Get the circle here. That's my buddy Stephen. There's Honey on street tires.
Street tires, baby.
Street
drive. Open differential.
One-wheel drive.
One-wheel drive, baby.
Uh-oh. At least for now. It's going to be a locker, lift kit, or a Sprinter. We don't know, but still come over, James. Sprinters will be allowed at these meets.
No gatekeeping.
No gatekeeping with me. There was a Prius here last year, not at this trail though. Just on the streets.
I think the Prius would have made it. What do you think?
With the lift kit, yes. All right.
5 feet for feet.
We have a real celebrities van right here. When I saw White Van Mafia Todd, he was like, "Is that Chocolate Man that just drove by?" That's celebrity right there when people recognize you. This is Honey, street tires. I'm probably gonna repeat this because I have footage of James from like 5 minutes ago. Straight up street tires, 1-wheel drive, got out here. Hey, all kinds of battery power, man. I'm out of battery power. Dude, I'm out. I found my weakness. I need more power, man.
More power.
More power. Do you know the reference, kids? More power. What's the reference, kids?
I have another battery, but I can't.
I'm out, man. Found my weakness. Yeah, honey. Yeah. Barely clears, but he cleared it. Ladder and light bar Ryan. Look at that bumper. Look at that thing. Ladder and light bar Ryan. Is this another van meet going on here? I see a Transit there. Bunch of sprinters. 2 years in a row, we run into another meet. Lifted van meet, November 2025. And look at what we have here. All right.
If I get stuck, I'll air it down, but I think the four-wheel should do it. I mean, that car came, look, that's on a four-wheel drive coming back from us. And then it doesn't weigh.
How do you know when you stop? It stops on its own.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.